Are you tired of working long hours and still struggling to make ends meet? Are you looking for a way to earn a six-figure income from the comfort of your own home? Well, look no further, because affiliate marketing might just be the solution you've been searching for. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward affiliates for generating sales or leads through their own marketing efforts. Essentially, you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. So why is affiliate marketing the most profitable and simplest way to earn six figures from home? Let's break it down. Unlike starting your own business or investing in a traditional brick-and-mortar store, affiliate marketing requires minimal investment. All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and the willingness to learn and take action. Once you've set up your affiliate marketing campaigns and started driving traffic to your affiliate links, you can earn money while you sleep. This means you have the potential to generate passive income, allowing you to scale and grow your earnings over time. With affiliate marketing, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world and set your own schedule. This means you can spend more time with your loved ones, travel, and enjoy the things that matter most to you. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it does require hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right strategies, tools, and mindset, earning six figures from home as an affiliate marketer is definitely achievable. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and start earning six figures from home, consider diving into the world of affiliate marketing. It may just be the most profitable and simplest way to achieve your goals. Subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy affiliate marketing!